Hello, welcome to the workshop. Just a Christmas message. Hope everyone has a good and happy, blessed Christmas. Thanking all my subscribers, all 4,187 at time of filming. Thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much to everyone who views and comments. So, that's all I wanted to say. Hopefully next year will be a good year. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the videos you've watched and all the videos you've liked and shared, and thank you for subscribing.